Hello and welcome to All About Law. Today we're examining an infamous chapter of legal history, the Code Noir. This law imposed severe controls on enslaved populations in colonies including Seychelles. Let's investigate its origins and legacy together, remembering that we can learn significant lessons from such dark periods. The Code Noir, also known as the Black Code, was decreed by King Louis XIV of France in 1685. It was designed to regulate slavery in French colonies, but in reality, it perpetuated an oppressive system, far from rights preservation. In Seychelles, once a French colony, the Code Noir was implemented in 1770. Marking the first legal system in the islands, it, however, brutally devalued enslaved individuals to mere property, all in the name of law. To understand the full weight of the Code Noir, let's review some of its most degrading provisions. Slavery defined as objects owned by masters, forced baptism into Catholicism without religious freedom, disintegration of family units, and horrifying penalties were common. The impacts of the Code Noir didn't end with its abolition in 1848. Its legacy still manifests in present-day struggles for justice and equality in former French colonies. And that's why we remember and learn from it, to foster a world free from such bias and prejudice. Thanks for joining me on All About Law. Remember to like, subscribe, and keep questioning.